Welcome back to All Things Ideal. Today we're in the kitchen again with Chef Darian Bryan at his kitchen, the Plating Society in Buffalo, New York. And what are we making today, Chef?
So today we're making a Chipotle chili salmon with a summer chopped salad. It's gonna be delicious.
Sounds healthy too.
It is.
Let's get started.
Let's do it. So all right. So first thing first, always gonna get some oil and the protein before you put it on the grill. You don't want it to crash and burn.
And you've already oiled the grill.
Yep. So in my mix, I got some salt, some oregano, and chili powder.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go both sides. Put it on.
And we're gonna start with the skin side down. Is that right?
So if the skin was on the fish, we'd serve it skin side up. But because we remove the skin, this become the presentation side now.
Okay.
Yeah. So put a little more oil on this. Just a little on both sides. We're just gonna rub it up. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put it on the grill. Presentation side down first.
So Darian, do you ever use a cooking thermometer when you're cooking, or you just...
No, it's by feel. So let's do this real quick. So this is what they teach us in school. So if you use a big finger, we call it a big finger in Jamaica, a little finger, right?
Okay.
You're gonna cross those.
Okay.
So that's well done.
All right.
That's like medium well. That's medium. Medium rare. You see the texture is changing. Then that's rare. So that's the feel that we go by.
Okay.
It's crazy, huh?
So the softer the feel, the less...
Yep, the less cook it is.
cooked.
So we get some color on this. Turn that down, okay. Then we're gonna make the salad now.
Everything's so colorful.
You know, we love the colors. We got some red onions. You love onions?
I do.
Tomatoes chopped already.
Love tomatoes.
And we got some bell peppers.
Now, can you use any peppers you want, or is there a reason you chose yellow and green?
Yeah, I chose yellow because I got all these colors going already.
Okay.
So, you know, I love the yellow. I didn't want to use red peppers because the tomatoes is red already, you know what I mean?
I see.
So I always trying to go for the red, gold, and green. So whenever I cook, I always try to use the colors of the island.
Red, gold, and green.
Yes, ma'am. Red, gold, and green. It's nice and clean. Gonna chop this up. Tuck your fingers in, always.
Yes.
You don't want to leave them on the board.
No.
You want to end with the same amount as you start with. We got some radish going in.
Okay.
Got some cilantro. Mix it right in. Just check on this salmon. It's looking
Wow.
good. Nice
That looks
color
fantastic.
in that. Let that grill all the way through. We got some salt and pepper just to season this bad boy up.
I wish everyone could smell how good this smells, because
We got
it
some
looks
lime
delicious,
juice.
but we know it's going to taste even better. Oh, that's great.
Bring it all together. Growing up in Jamaica was rough, man. So, you know, some olive oil, bring it all together. We didn't have much to eat. So when I come here and see all the opportunity and all the stuff that we have to eat, I'm like, what?
Yeah.
I just didn't waste no time. Mix it all in, so a little more, a little touch more, there you go. All right, so let's just plate this up. If you come a little closer, you smell this, like all what I'm smelling right now.
Food is love.
Food is love, that's what we're all about, our Plating Society too. Love. Is this love, is this love? So got a little juice in here, we're just gonna put this right on top. So we got tomato, we got cilantro, we got some bell peppers, we got some lime juice in there, we got the onions, we got some radish. Come on, man. All those delicious flavor together. It's just screams summer to me.
Thanks for joining us again today. We're cooking with Chef Darian Bryan in his kitchen, the Plating Society in Buffalo, New York. I'm Donna Herberger for the Ideal You Weight Loss Center. Join us next time on All Things Ideal.
One love. See you guys soon. Let's go.